The title, The Rising Tide of Climate Change, Our Call to Action. Every day, we witness the consequences of a warming planet. Stronger typhoons, rising sea levels, and unbearable heat. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It is a reality that affects all of us. As members of this generation, we cannot afford to remain silent or passive. The time for awareness has passed. The time for action is now. Climate change is caused by human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and the excessive use of fossil fuels. This action traps heat in our atmosphere, creating what we call the greenhouse effect. The Philippines, being an island nation, is one of the most vulnerable countries to these effects. Communities lost their homes to floods, farmers struggle with drought, and countless lives are disrupted. But we are not powerless. Simple action, reducing plastic waste, planting trees, conserving energy, and supporting eco-friendly policies can make a difference. Education and cooperation between citizen and government are also vital. We must hold industries accountable and encourage sustainable practices that protects both people and planet. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is a human issue. Our future depends on the choices we make today. Let us be the generation that refuses to turn a blind eye, the generation that fights for a greener, safer, and more sustainable world. Together, we can turn awareness into action and hope into change. And that's all. Thank you.